We are ready for contestant number 22 from Rolling Hills, Rolling Tones.
Will you promise to be true? If I give my heart to you, my darling. If I give my heart to you, will you handle it with care? Will you always treat me tenderly and in every way be fair? If I give my heart to you, will you give me all your love? Will you swear that you'll be true to me by the light that shines above? And will you laugh with me when I laugh? Cry with me when I cry, and always be as you are with me tonight. Think it over and be sure. Please don't answer till you do. When you promise all these things to me, then I'll give my heart to you. My heart and all my love I'll give to you. Only you. Never really thought it could happen to a girl like me. Gosh, oh, seems so contradictory. Like a bit of abracadabra, magicality. Presto, change, oh, see a different me. I made it to heaven, beyond paradise. The moment I saw your eyes, your adorable eyes, a roll of a 7, a lucky surprise. The moment I saw your eyes, friends are staring, mumbling, swearing, who the heck is she? Once was acting down and under, now she's moving out like thunder. Well, when did it happen? I'm telling no lies. The moment I saw your eyes, I'm hot to handle, human candle. Take a look at me. To explain, my brain's on fire, and the flame is burning higher. Well, when did it happen? I'm telling no lies. The moment I saw your what moment I saw your eyes, oh, those eyes, never really thought I'd fall till I